to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm going to just quickly show you how to make a USB thumb drive out of macOS. It's very simple, straightforward, so stick with me. Now before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know this channel completely survives on your subscriptions. So if you appreciate that, all you got to do is subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Now let's get this process underway. First thing I want you guys to do is obviously log into your computer, go to App Store, and what I want you to do is search for the macOS that you're looking for. So for example, macOS Monterey. So if you go into there and click get, it'll start downloading it. Once it's downloaded, it'll be somewhere here. Also, it'll open it up like I've opened up Terminal. Now you might notice that the close button is not available on that. So what you want to do is press the control button and then click on it, and it'll give you an option to quit it. I want you guys to quit it. After you've quit it, I want you guys to go to your Finder and go into your applications, and in your applications you'll see the installer. So once you've found the installer, I want you to right click it and show package contents. After this, what I want you guys to do is open a folder called contents, and inside it there's another folder called resources. In resources, I want you to go down to create install media, and I want you to come into terminal, and in terminal I want you to type sudo with a space. Okay, sudo space. Then what I want you to do is grab that file and copy it in here. Once you've copied it, you'll get this line of command, okay, up till here. What I then want you guys to do is put a space -- volume space in front of it, okay, just like this. And then what I want you guys to do is, for example, whatever USB drive you wanted to use as your macOS USB drive, make sure it's around 15 gigs at least, or more. More is fine, but 15 gigs it has to be. So I want you to hold it and then drag it into here. Once you've dragged it into there, you'll see that it'll come up at volumes at macOS or whatever, and it'll also ask you for a password, your system's password. You need to be an administrator to be able to do this. So once you've put the password in and you press enter it or return button, it'll say we need to continue to erase the content. It'll just basically format it, so make sure you don't have any sensitive information that you might need there. And after that, it'll ask you to press Y, and you just press Y and return again, and it'll start erasing the disk 10%, 0, 10, 20. It'll take a bit of time. Then after that, it'll start making the copy, so that'll go to 90, 100. Then it just says installer media now available on such and such. So after that, that's basically done. It's so simple, guys. And that's basically it. If you enjoyed that video, let me know in the comments below. And also, if you want to know how to use this and what's the benefit of having a USB thumb drive, let me know and I'll make another video in regards to it. Thank you so much for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.